Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Monday morning forecast. Today we've got some heat settling in this week, so we're hoping to get some rain going here. And you can see once again we did have some strong storms move through on Sunday afternoon. We've got another round of storms that's making its way south across Oklahoma. A lot of this is going to miss us, but I do think at least the tail end of this is probably going to sweep through Oklahoma as well as Arkansas a few hours from now. So we're looking at maybe mid-morning, some of these storms ramping up maybe after 8 a.m. or so. And it's possible we could see some wind gusts with a few of these, but this MCS, as we call it, it's called a mesoscale convective system. This big area of thunderstorms is likely going to be weakening out as it moves through, so I do not think we'll get a good push of rain into I-20, including Shreveport today, but it can't be ruled out. It's a notoriously difficult pattern to forecast, so we're having a lot of confidence in the temperatures today, maybe not as much in the rain, but your temperatures today starting out in the 60s as well as the low 70s, and most of us are ticketed for the mid-90s today, but we'll keep Idabel and DeQueen at 89 since it's more likely that we would see some rain north of I-30 this morning and a few more clouds, which will hold our temperatures down. But just get used to that mid-90s heat this week. It will be with us through at least the upcoming weekend. And also today we'll have a breeze out there, the wind up to about 10 miles per hour in a few areas this morning, and thinking today is that wind gusts will be probably about 20 to 25 miles per hour out of the south. So look at your Robbinshood Futurecast. It does show a few of these storms moving in across McCurtain, Sevier, Howard counties, and I think these will clip maybe Hempstead and Nevada County as well. Now, you get the tail end of these systems moving through. It lets out the rush of cold air, so if we can get some cool air outflow here, it is possible we could push some of this rain maybe further to the south. I would say that looks less likely today, but Futurecast does show maybe a little bit of rain as far south as Shreveport, so we can't completely rule that out, but it doesn't look like we'll have kind of the heavy rain that we saw yesterday afternoon in Shreveport. It doesn't look like that will be a scenario for us today, and likely drying out in most areas tomorrow, but we may see these slight rain chances come back Wednesday, Thursday. A lot of the forecast models have us up to about 100 degrees late this week, but keeping in mind that we've had some rain over the past few months and there's a lot of water in the ground, typically the forecast models will be a little bit high as far as the temperatures. So I've just kept us in the mid-90s, maybe upper 90s for a few days, perhaps Thursday into Friday, but looks like a decent chance, maybe a front coming down late this week. It brings a few showers and storms. Unfortunately, it doesn't cool us down much, as we'll stay in the mid-90s with just those slight rain chances for the upcoming weekend.